Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we were going to do the life of a slime scammer. So I have been slimed, scammed tons of times offline and stuff with slime. So I just started making my own. I'm probably gonna start my own company on it as soon as I start getting better at it. So here we go. First I gotta get. Okay, so let's check out the order. Okay, so she wants a fairy slime. A fairy slime with blue slime. Blue slime. Okay, so I don't need this. Blue slime. Oh, and fluffy. And she wants some beads in it. I mean, I don't have that right now, but I got this really sticky slime. I got this sticky slime, and then I got some beads in it. I think she'll happy with that because it's not that bad of a slime. It stretches really good, but it's really sticky, so I might just give this to her instead. It has beads in it, but it's not the color, and it's not fluffy, and it's sticky. So the only thing that it has that she wants is the beads, but I can just put it in the container and then she'll be fine with this, because I am not good at giving her my last one. The reason why I said I don't have any is because, well, I only have one. That one is mine. Alright. Now she wants a butter slime. I don't have butter slime, but I have this. It's technically, that was a strong smell when that came out. Yeah, this is my too much activator one. Ew, it's cold. Why are all my slimes cold? I don't know. Okay, so I might as well just, for the last slime, just give her the correct one so she's not like, oh, I'm never buying from them again. Because she might be like, oh, it just melted. Oh, she might have accidentally put too much. See, it rips. It's a pretty good slime, but it rips very easily. So it's like a putty type. Ooh, my hands are cold. Okay. I don't like cold slimes. So she could have this. I don't really want it. So there we go. She can have it. Have fun with your new home. Okay. Last one. Alright, so I might as well just give her the correct one. She wants unicorn puke. Alright, so that's pink. I'll give her the correct one this time. Because I want her to buy from me again. Oh, it's a little overactivated, so I'm just gonna. Ew, there's a piece of hair in it. I can't let that be because she won't buy from me ever again. Alright, let's use some of this. It's not activator. It might look like it, but it's mixed with water, and so it makes it a little stickier. Like, not so activated. So, I'm giving her what she wants, right? Like, she can't be that ungrateful that she's like, oh, this is wrong. No, she can't be that ungrateful. She has to be grateful that I even gave her slime. If she's not, I'll just watch her YouTube channel to see what it's like. And if she does a review on it. Because I love scamming YouTubers. because they'll make videos about me, and then more people buy things from me, and then I can scam them, but one thing will be correct, and so they'll keep buying from me, and then I'll get more viewers and more slime cells, and I can do my favorite thing, which is scamming, and then I love scamming. Okay. Here, just to give her a little treat, I'll add some beads into it. Because she's lucky I'm even giving her these beads in it. Now let's get some beads out and add it to this one. Alright. I mean, she might as well be happy that I'm even giving her beads in this one. So, she's lucky I'm even giving her one slime that's correct. Like, I usually don't get customers the correct slimes, but when I know it's a YouTuber, I only give them one correct slime. And just because she's a YouTuber doesn't mean I'm gonna give her extras. So, y'all saying I need to give her extras. I'm not giving her no extras. So, I'm just gonna... I mean, this is a good slime. It's a pretty good slime, but it's a little overactivated. So, that's why I'm giving it... Oh, well, okay. It's a little better. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's a little better ever since I added that water. Okay, so it's a perfect consistency, perfect color. So we got one correct slime, one incorrect slime, and one with only one thing that's correct. So I'm just gonna put this on here, and I'm going to play with it for a bit so that it's like a used slime, but she's not gonna know it's used. So that's her fault. So, yep, that's it. Close for the day. That's it. I'm closed for the day. Alright guys, thank you for watching this little skit. I'm happy you guys came and watched it. If you could, please, if you made it this far, leave a like. Subscribe for more slime videos, and yeah, peace.